Shit, we got
evac station.
This is not happening.
Hello down there!
Thank God! I thought I was the last woman on Earth.
Yeah, I know that feeling.
Can you lower the bridge? We need to get across the river.
Sorry, can't. We lost a guy, and another's injured. If you can find another way over, we can help you get the bridge down.
If that's what we gotta do, that's what we gotta do.
Good luck!
You too!
Through this park. Let's go through this store.
Wow, even the convenience stores in the South have guns. Someone's carrying something.
Shoot it!
Taken care of.
Ah, shit. Need a hand.
What's up with that?
Oh, I'm great.
Okay, don't mean to bother y'all, but I need some help.
Thanks.
Anytime. No time for this
That
now. We have to
spitting
keep
bitches around.
moving. Let's get you up.
Hit it! All right. Thanks.
Oh, what is this shit?
Molotov. I got hit by the burning
I ain't ready to lay down yet.
I can still use a hand over here.
Hang on, I'm coming!
Are you gonna be okay?
I still got some fight in me.
Good as new.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Sure thing.
Hey man, hold up. Healing.
Hey, y'all should heal up.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Let's try upstairs. Through here.
Check the locker.
for supplies.
Hey, I'm reloading.
We have to get upstairs. Okay. Gotta find me some meal first then. Everybody grab a weapon. I'm grabbing the bit. Safe house back here.
God damn it, stop shooting me!
Gotta reload!
Take that, you mealy-mouthed bastards.
You know, we've been gone for a while. You think that car's okay?
Alice, honey, you do know that eventually we'll have to leave that car behind, right?
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
You know, I just don't
Up
think the
these
military
stairs.
is going to airlift the car to safety.
Okay, Ro. Yeah, whatever you say.
Watch out!
Reloading! Reloading!
Reloading! Spit up!
Pills here.
Reloading!
Reloading!
Okay, it's gonna last for a bit.
Down into the construction site. Get that zombie! Got him.
We're gonna do him, Annie Oakley.
Reloading.
Everybody grab a weapon. Reloading! Witch! Witch! Thanks.
Reload.
All right, now I'm back.
Let's go upstairs.
Don't mind if I do.
Quick, over this plank.
Open up the locker.
I'm reloading. Into the club.
Lighten it up!
Reloading.
Look out now. Hey, look out.
I'll take the shotgun.
This will take us under the river. Stay on the walkway. Weapons over here. Shoot the tank, Nick!
Can you shoot the tank instead of me? That was mine.
Reload.
Why is everything historic always so goddamn filthy?
There's a pipe bomb here. That long-necked bitch hit me! I'm gonna heal.
Jesus Christ.
Better.
Reloading.
Down the stairs.
I'm gonna reload.
Alright, let's keep moving.
Hit him! Hostile! Undercover shell!
Hey, Nick. Splash fight?
Don't you dare. Everyone out of the pool.
First aid kit here.
Look out!
Charger!
Opened it. Damn it, back in the shit water. Come on. We gotta keep moving, people. Oh, shit! What's up?
Hey, watch out! I'm gonna reload. Hey, watch out!
Reloading!
We're coming! Damn, Spitter got me!
Reload!
Boomer!
We got a boomer!
Jockey!
Hey, I'm reloading.
Safe room, and it's dry.
Healing.
Someone want to close that door?
That worked.
I'm starting to like you guys.
I hope that girl is still waiting for us.
Oh, no, she ain't going nowhere. That ain't like her.
Ellis, she shouted at you for 5 seconds from a bridge.
Yeah, it was like love at first sight. The other 4 seconds was gravy.
Hey, you made it! Where are you headed?
We heard New Orleans was the last holdout. Now I just figured we'd go there. Hey, you folks want to come with us?
Nah, good luck with that. We've had enough of the military.
Let's get you on your way. Head down and fill up the generator, and we'll cover you from up here.
Sounds good. Thanks, man.
Let's not piss around here, all right? Gas up the generator. Let's get out of here.
Check this out.
Reloading here!
Look out!
Reloading!
Check out!
Got it. Look out!
Got it!
Hey, I'm reloading.
Watch out!
I'm gonna reload.
Heads up! Reloading!
I gotta reload!
Reloading!
Second pistol.
I got a can.
Here they come!
Look out!
Adrenaline shot here. Got it.
Good luck!
Can always use these. That'll pick me up.
I got it.
Watch your ass!
I'm reloading.
Reloading!
Reloading.
I hear a spitter.
I got a can.
Don't shoot me! Shoot the tank! Oh, shit!
Here, then get your asses to your car. Reloading!
I hear a jockey.
Look out! Look out now! While I heal you.
Look out!
Reloading.
Pills here.
Reloading!
Smoker. I got it.
Dude, you don't look so good. No worries, Nick.
Hold up, gonna heal. I got a can. I got it.
Take this. Good luck.
Reloading. We got it. Got it. Watch out!
Reloading here! Look out!
Reloading.
Reloading.
Let Dr. Nick fix you out.
Behind you!
Reloading!
Hunter!
Got him!
Nice.
I got a can. Got it. Jockey! Filling the generator.
Jockey!
I got it. Pouring it in. Almost out of here. Reloading!
I'm reloading.
Watch out! Another one in. We still need 5 more. Got it. Why doesn't anything have enough gas in it? Just 3 more. Just 2 more. Get him back to the bridge. Another one in. Watch out! Go! He's shooting. You can have this.
Reloading.
Seriously.
You can have this. Here! You're gonna need this.
Thank you, Zoe.
Get to your car, Alice. It's here. Let's go.
Thanks, you 3.
Run to Jimmy Gibbs Jr.